Did you know consuming common foods may harm your gut? Learn which foods ruin your gut and what to eat for a healthy digestive system. Welcome back to the Wellness Guide. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: 10 foods that destroy your gut with surprising healthy swaps. Gut health is essential for overall well-being, affecting everything from digestion to immunity. Let's uncover the hidden culprits in your diet and discover healthier alternatives. Unhealthy food consumption may negatively affect gut health, resulting in bloating, inflammation, and weakened immunity. Take control of your diet by making healthier choices. Let's break down the 10 foods that are detrimental to your gut health and explore why they should be avoided. 1. Processed foods. Loaded with artificial additives and preservatives, these can disrupt your gut microbiome. 2. Sugary snacks. High sugar intake feeds harmful bacteria and yeast in your gut, leading to imbalances. 3. Fried foods. These are hard to digest and can cause inflammation in the gut lining. 4. Artificial sweeteners. They can alter gut bacteria and lead to digestive issues. 5. Red meat. High consumption is linked to increased gut inflammation and harmful bacteria growth. 6. Dairy products. For those who are lactose intolerant, dairy can cause bloating and discomfort. 7. Gluten-containing grains. For those with gluten sensitivity, these can trigger gut inflammation. 8. Alcohol. Excessive drinking can damage the gut lining and disrupt the balance of gut bacteria. 9. Carbonated drinks. They can cause bloating and discomfort due to excess gas. 10. High-fat foods. These can slow down digestion and lead to gut discomfort. Now, let's reveal some surprising healthy swaps for each of these harmful foods. 1. Processed foods gives opt for whole, unprocessed foods like fresh fruits and vegetables. 2. Sugary snacks gives choose natural sweeteners like honey or fruits. 3. Fried foods gives bake or grill your foods instead of frying them. 4. Artificial sweeteners gives use natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit. 5. Red meat gives incorporate more plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. 6. Dairy products gives try lactose-free or plant-based dairy alternatives. 7. Gluten-containing grains gives switch to gluten-free grains like quinoa or rice. 8. Alcohol gives limit intake and choose gut-friendly options like kombucha. 9. Carbonated drinks gives drink herbal teas or infused water instead. 10. High-fat foods gives opt for healthy fats like avocados and nuts. In summary, choosing mindful foods ensures a healthy gut. Eliminate harmful items and implement beneficial swaps to support digestion and well-being. If you found these tips helpful, give them a try and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Wellness Guide for more gut health tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Stay healthy and take care.